Hey all, hope you're good. Welcome to my channel Cerebral Coding. In today's video, I am going to use store procedure activity in Azure Data Factory and will pass the parameter using system variables. Okay, so let's begin. So search for store procedure activity here. Okay, and go to setting. Okay, click on link service and click here. So we have already created a SQL database link service. Okay, so as you can see, we have a database name of this. Okay, and authentication type is SQL authentication, and these are the ID and password. Okay, okay. Click on store procedure name. As you can see, I have two store procedure listed down below. So we will select log pipeline. But before that, let's go to our SQL database to see the store procedure. So my store procedure name is log pipeline. Okay, which is being listed here. Okay, and these are the parameters we are passing: pipeline run ID, data factory name, pipeline trigger name, and pipeline trigger type. And what we are doing, we have created a table pipeline execution. Okay, and we are inserting. Okay, so what I'm doing, each time the pipelines run, okay, the stored procedure will run and it will log the pipeline. Okay, so let's see if there is any record present inside the table pipeline execution or not. As you can see, we have 0 rows. Okay, so okay, click on new. Okay, here we can manually pass all the parameters. um, okay, we can manually pass all the parameters that are being listed here, or what we can do, we can dynamically import. Click on import and all the parameters will get be passed here. And now we are passing the value. So click on add dynamic content, and here you can see system variables. Okay, you can see there are various system variables. Okay, and we are looking for data factory name. Okay, so click on system variable data factory name. Here we are looking for pipeline name. So this is our variable which stores the pipeline name. Now we are searching for pipeline run ID. Now we are looking for trigger name. Now we are looking for pipeline trigger time. Okay, so to each variable of the stored procedure we have specified its value. Now let's debug our pipeline, check whether our pipeline is running or not. So it's being queued. So the pipeline execution has been started and it got succeeded in 12 seconds. Now let's move back to our SQL database and run this command, run this SQL query. So as we run for the first time, okay, so one record will be present here. So as you can see, uh, data factory name, pipeline trigger name, trigger time has been passed. Now let's change the pipeline name. Okay, and now let's run again. So this time what will happen? A new record will be entered with a new pipeline name. So the pipeline is still being run and it got succeeded. Now let's check here. Another record is inserted or not. Yeah, as you can see, another record is being inserted inside my table pipeline execution with the new pipeline name, and trigger pipeline trigger time will change. Okay, so hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.